What are you doing, Coop Butts?
I'm cutting the pineapple.
The pineapple.
I'm not as good as you.
Do you want to do it?
I just feel like I'm not strong
Here.
enough.
Here, I'll do it for you. Come on.
Thanks, Gabus.
If I get freaking juice on you, honey, I swear I'm gonna kill you.
Looks so good. Yum. Really yummy. Baby, throw a grape at me. Okay, Mom, throw a grape at me. Okay, Gabriel. Ow.
Brett knows he's not. He's self-conscious about it. So I get so only time that I've ever seen Jacob dance is in No, Mark. I love dancing. I grew up dancing on Dad's feet.
Ooh.
I love dancing.
Oh, no.
Jump!
Oh, there you go. She got it. She got the flag.
You try, baby.
Oh, I told you I can't do it.
You can do it.
I'll hold your legs.
Oh! You can do it.
You know those like pole dancers? Do I don't know what I just found out.
What?
Stripper poles spin.
Yeah.
That's what I was asking.
What if they land right here?
She crazy. She's dropping paint on herself.
Film the foil. That's what you're not supposed to touch. For real. Just said don't touch anything that's like on the floor. Craft singles.
That's cool.
I'm sorry, but nothing is definite. I'm sorry, but this is just the beginning.
Look at those tits. little ding ding.
So sexual. Are they something?
The ice cream.
They're pig faces.
Oh, they're big noses.
Pig noses. Not ice cream.
Place of Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
Is that a lipstick, a bullet, and a cigar?
Cigar. How ruthless are the gentle. Ooh, Gabriel, he'd knock you out.
Right in the sucker. Santa Maria.
Santa Maria.
So basically, I don't know if you can see us guys, but we just went to the, what was it called?
The Scottsdale Contemporary Art.
Scottsdale Contemporary Art. It was cool, but it's kind of like you go in, you see everything, and you leave. So it's like a quick thing.
The light thing was cool, but Gabriel didn't think it was as cool.
The light thing was cool is that you kind of like see it so much, and you kind of got like sick of it. I mean, that's what I think.
I didn't get sick of it. It was cool. You just want to take like Instagram pictures.
Whatever. But we're gonna go see the movie now, Spider-Man. So
Spider-Man.
So I'll let you know how it was. All right. Take it easy.
You thought you got yelled at. sexual.
And you wonder why you waited so long for something so disappointing. How many more of these?
So basically, last night, the camera ran out of space, so the movie Spider-Man was really good. Let me just start off by saying that. And what do you think about it?
Oh, that was really good. I'm excited for like him. He was just a really good actor, so it was just good. I liked it.